Cars already do a lot, but the small problems are what actually annoy you every day. The stuff you drop, the heat, the blind spots, the awkward fixes when something goes wrong. These gadgets are built exactly for those moments. Some feel obvious once you see them, others feel like overkill until you actually use them. Here are 17 car gadgets that are actually worth buying. Number 17, Hudly Wireless. Heads-up display. Taking your eyes off the road for even a second feels worse once you realize how often you do it. The Hudly Wireless heads-up display fixes that by projecting speed, navigation, and key info right in your line of sight. It connects wirelessly to your phone and keeps everything in front of you instead of down on your dashboard. The display stays visible even in daylight and reduces distractions without changing how you drive. After a while, it starts feeling strange driving without it. Number 16. UltraDash Z3 Plus. You never really think about needing proof until something happens. The UltraDash Z3 Plus is a dual camera dash cam that records both front and rear views in high quality. It captures clear footage even in low light conditions, and the wide angle coverage makes sure nothing important is missed. It also includes features like parking monitoring and loop recording. It quietly runs in the background but becomes extremely valuable when you actually need it. Number 15. Fully automatic car tent. Parking under the sun sounds fine until you get back into a car that feels like an oven. The fully automatic car tent opens up and covers your vehicle within seconds, protecting it from heat, UV damage, and even light rain. The setup is quick and does not require effort every time you park. It is especially useful if you leave your car outside for long hours. It feels unnecessary until you use it once in peak summer. Number 14. Maxsa car. Butler. Dropping something between the seat and the console is a small problem that somehow feels bigger every time it happens. The Maxsa car Butler slides right into that gap and blocks anything from falling through. It also adds a bit of extra storage space for small items you want within reach. Installation takes seconds and stays in place without movement. It is one of those fixes that feels too simple but makes a noticeable difference daily. Number 13. Mob Armor Mini Phone Holder. Phone mounts are everywhere, but most of them feel unstable or cheap. The Mob Armor Mini Phone Holder is built to stay exactly where you put it, with a solid mounting system that does not shake while driving. The grip holds your phone firmly even on rough roads and keeps your screen accessible without being distracting. It feels durable and reliable in a way most mounts do not, a small upgrade that actually lasts. Number 12. Moki Doorstep. Reaching the roof of your car is always awkward, especially when you are trying to load something heavy. The Moki Doorstep gives you a stable step using your car door latch, making it easier to access roof racks or clean the top. It is compact, easy to attach, and supports significant weight without feeling unstable. It folds away when not in use and takes almost no space. It solves a problem you usually just deal with instead of fixing. Number 11. Alpicool car refrigerator. Long drives feel very different when you do not have to rely on roadside stops. The Alpicool car refrigerator keeps drinks and food properly chilled while you are on the move. It plugs directly into your car and maintains a steady temperature for hours. It works well for road trips, camping, or even daily use in hot weather. The build is sturdy and efficient. It turns your car into something a lot more self-sufficient. Number 10. Waterproof Rearview mirror. Rain changes visibility more than people expect, and small details start to matter more. The waterproof rearview mirror coating helps water slide off instead of sticking to the surface, keeping your view clearer during heavy rain. It reduces glare and distortion caused by droplets and improves overall driving safety. The application is simple, but the effect is immediate. It is one of those small changes that you notice right away. Number 9. Car wax machine. Cleaning your car by hand can take time and effort most people do not have. The car wax machine speeds that up by polishing and waxing surfaces evenly with minimal effort. The motor does most of the work for you, giving a more consistent finish than manual cleaning. It is easier to handle and saves time during maintenance. It turns something tiring into something quick and manageable. Number 8. Tire snow chains. Driving in snow or slippery conditions is where things can go wrong quickly. Tire snow chains give your tires extra grip when roads lose traction, helping maintain control in difficult weather. They are easy to install and remove when needed without requiring much effort. The added traction improves braking and stability significantly. They can make the difference between getting stuck and moving forward safely. Number 7. Car seat gap filler. That small gap next to your seat somehow eats everything. Phones, coins, keys, it all disappears there when you least expect it. The car seat gap filler blocks that space completely and keeps everything within reach. It fits snugly between the seat and console and does not move around. Installation takes seconds and requires no tools. It removes one of the most annoying everyday problems in a car. Number 6. Caraide Multi-2. You do not need tools until you suddenly really do. The Caraide Multi-Tool packs multiple functions into one compact device that fits easily in your glove box. It can handle emergency situations like cutting seatbelts or breaking glass, while also offering everyday tools for quick fixes. The design is simple but effective. It is something you hope you never need, but will be glad you have when it matters. Number 5. Vevor Electric Car Jack Kit. Changing a tire manually is one of those tasks nobody enjoys, especially on the side of the road. The Vevor Electric Car Jack Kit automates that entire process with the push of a button. It lifts your car quickly and safely without physical effort. The kit often includes additional tools for emergencies, making it more than just a jack. It turns a stressful situation into something manageable. Number 4. Steering Eating Tray. Eating in your car is usually messy and uncomfortable, especially when there is no proper surface. The steering eating tray turns your steering wheel into a stable platform for meals, laptops, or writing. It is quick to set up and just as easy to remove. The build is sturdy enough for everyday use. It makes brakes during long drives a lot more convenient. Number 3. LITESTIX. Visibility matters more than people think, especially at night or in low light conditions. LITESTIX adds bright, flexible lighting that improves how your car is seen on the road. It can be used for safety or styling depending on placement. The installation is simple and adaptable. The lights are durable and weather resistant. It adds both function and a bit of personality to your vehicle. Number 2. Car Sunshade Umbrella. Heat builds up fast when your car sits under the sun, making it uncomfortable to get back in. The Car Sunshade umbrella opens like a regular umbrella but fits across your windshield to block sunlight. It reduces interior temperature noticeably and protects your dashboard from damage. It is quick to set up and fold away. It takes up minimal space but makes a big difference daily. Number 1. Caraide Plus. Fixing a trailer tire on the road is usually a hassle and requires effort you do not want to deal with. The Caraide Plus makes it much easier by lifting one side of the trailer using the other wheel. You simply drive onto it to raise the flat tire off the ground without heavy lifting. It is durable, simple, and effective. A straightforward solution to a problem that is usually anything but simple.